Hello, let's do Wordle for Thursday, January 8th. Yesterday we spun the wheel and it said to start with pound. Let's see how that goes. Oh, well, pound gave us all gray. So we do still have steel available. Steel is a very good start. That has not been the answer yet. So let's go with steel. Wow. Okay, I told you it was a good start. So we just have to kind of anagram this, add a letter. L's love to be second, A in the middle, and maybe something like blast. Is there another one that does that besides blast? I don't think so. Let's just go with what I thought of. All right. Well, interesting. It's all gray, almost all yellow, and then all green. I almost made a nice like striped flag or something. I don't think I would have been able to put a B in here. B. Is there an anagram of blast that I could have done? That's pure anagram. Nothing in the right place. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me know if you find one. Cool. Well, that was a very quick solve. Let's spin our members wheel and see what we are going to start with tomorrow. Ooh, let's see how many people follow along with this one. Xylil, suggested by Kenifa. So, if you would like to follow along, start with Xylil tomorrow. All right, let's do some analysis here. So, the answer was blast. Started with pound. A steel start today would have gotten us blasted too. Let's see. So it's suggesting table here. I went with steel. What's the problem with steel? Oh, wow. It's saying that it would have lost on tater, rager, watch, match, taste, state. That's kind of crazy. Wonder why. But the word is almost certainly blast, and that's what I got. All right. Huh. So let's look what happens here for like the atch trap. Let's say the answer was match. Let's see what happens there. So the answer was match, and we went pound and then steal. No, we would win with habit. So it's saying we might have lost on it, but then we don't actually lose on it. So this is an issue. I think I should try to bump up how long it calculates for or something because this isn't any good. Anyway, let's. So it would. I mean, I don't know if it would have done table with more time. I don't think it's in its settings. It's not. I'll look into it, and we'll maybe do improve that for the future. I'll tell you how to do it. All right, so caddy or table, and then it does caddy, and then hatch, and then oh, sorry, the answer is not match. The answer is blast. So pound, we go to table. Oh, table also is almost an anagram of blast. All right, interesting. Just moved the gray somewhere else. Yeah, I mean it's almost all the same letters. It's just a B instead of an S. All right, so let's do tails. Its suggestion. Oh, with this, there's a few options. Stalk, stall. Interesting. Huh. That's a difference from steel. Yeah, because we can't start with ST. There's a few words that start with S. All the words start with S except blast. Oh, that's really interesting. So steel had a big advantage today. So steel, it's only blast. Oh, or talus. Didn't think of talus. All right. Now, talus wasn't possible in my solve because I did pound, which removed the U. All right. Adieu, the most common starting word among players. Going to go clasp with that A, and then flash, and then blast or glass, one of those two. So 4 or 5. And then audio. Going to go table, and then almost certainly blast. So if you guess table, you're good to go. Trace tries to get in 2. I don't think it does today. Slant and then blast. And then what's after trace? Yeah, stare. Did I do stare? I don't think I did stare. Sorry. Stare, we do boast and then blast. And then finally, place is the what the official bot does. We get the LA in place. It goes slang, which gets you this S. Then it goes flash and then blast. So gets it in 4, pretty much guaranteed. All right, let's check with the official bot here. Give me a 95 skill, 55 luck. 3 is the average. How many start with pound? 391 with pound. Steel being by far the most common follow-up, followed by stare, slate, trace, raise, great. So I think the people following up with steel are my viewers. All right. And then blast gave me a 99. It was the only one left. It does place flask slash blast. That's essentially the same as what we saw earlier, isn't it? Oh, interesting. Place slang flash versus place flask slash. Okay. 0.2% starting with pound, 0.4% starting with blast. So pound is a common starting word beyond, which we already knew. Greater than 99% solve rate. People who lost on classed, glass, plast, plasm, slash. I feel like classed and plast have to be people who are trying to lose, right? I don't know. All right, let's go back and get a screenshot. Cool. Same exact score in non-hard mode. We have 2,243 starting with pound. Stare being the most common follow-up. Raise, great. And then steel is at 2%. Interesting. All right. And it does slate blast. Makes sense? 0.6% starting with blast. And a 99.4% solve rate. People losing on plast and classed. And glass, flask. Huh. I wonder why. They're not like nearby on the keyboard. Is it just like not thinking of blast? So you're just trying letters across the keyboard and you hit the P or the C first? Maybe. All right. Well, that's it for Wordle. How'd you do? If you would like to watch the New York Times games, you can click at the end of the video. Excuse me. Click at the end of the video. It'll take you right there. I also have a pinned comment with all the games I played today. And if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.